Today we're checking out this Comp Cam's Stage 2 HRT 220/230 Hydraulic Roller Camshaft Kit for the 2009 to 2024 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. If you've got a Hemi truck that already sounds good, but you want it to hit harder when you get into the throttle, this is one of those upgrades that can completely change how the truck feels from the driver's seat, so it's definitely worth looking into. This is going to be a true cam and valve train upgrade, and the whole point is to let that 5.7 breathe better and make stronger power where you actually feel it, especially in the mid-range and up top when you really get into the throttle. The Stage 2 HRT is aimed at street and mild race style setups, so it's a great fit for a Ram that's more of a performance build than just a work-only truck. This boasts the best average torque and power of any sub 0.600-inch lift in a Hemi cam that's been tested, and it runs great from the 2500 to the 6500 RPM ranges, and it's rated up above 7,000. You're also getting hydraulic roller technology, which is nice because it's designed to run smoother and consistent even when things get hot, and it helps cut down on friction and wear over time. This kit is built around more aggressive lift numbers, so you're opening up those valves further and they move more air, which is a big part of why these cams wake up the truck when you lean into the throttle. Another big reason people go with a kit like this instead of buying a cam by itself is that everything is meant to work better together, and you're not guessing on what valve springs to run or what hardware you're gonna need, or hoping that the stock stuff can hang on. You're gonna be getting the camshaft plus push rods and springs, steel retainers, locks, spring seats, and valve seals, so you're building the setup the right way and not cutting corners on parts that keep the valve train stable. This is the type of mod that you definitely want to tune for the truck to run its best, and it's a bigger job than most simple bolt-ons. But if you're chasing a noticeable performance change, this is exactly the type of part that's gonna deliver. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a tightly machined camshaft that's CNC polished billet steel and treated for long-term durability and corrosion resistance, along with the supporting valve train hardware that you're gonna need to run as a complete kit. That's gonna include push rods, springs, steel retainers, locks, spring seats, and valve seals, so the parts that matter for strength and reliability are included instead of being left up to you to piece together a full kit or reuse old parts. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's gonna come in right around the $1,300 price range. That's about what you would expect for a full cam kit that includes the supporting valve train parts, because you're not just buying one piece, you're buying a match setup that's meant to work together and handle the extra performance without turning into a reliability gap like a cheap piece together combo can. Now, when it comes to the install on this, it's gonna get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in about 4 hours of your time. This is a pretty involved install process, so if you are 100% confident in your abilities to get this job done, then just go ahead and hire a professional or go to a shop to have this job done right for you the first time. That's gonna wrap up my review of the Comp Cam's Stage 2 HRT 220/230 Hydraulic Roller Camshaft Kit for the 2009 to 2024 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.